When's the last time you actually had a meaningful one-on-one conversation? Whether you lead other people or you are having a one-on-one with your own leader. For most people, if they even have them, which is a whole other conversation, they find that one-on-ones are really a status update. Where's this, where's this, where's this, where's this, and it's transactional. And they're really meetings that, quite frankly, could have been an email update. In today's day and age, we are craving more connection. We are craving a sense of mattering. We want to feel seen. We want to know we're adding value. And it's a missed opportunity when we don't leverage the one-on-one as that conduit for meaning making, for mattering. At the end of the day, one-on-ones don't have to be long. They can be 15 minutes. But what they need to be is intentional and meaningful. And really effective one-on-ones are about human connection. It is about devoted time to say, I see you, or you get a chance to feel seen. It is an opportunity for two-way feedback where both the leader and the employee have an opportunity to give one another feedback, talk about what is going well, talk about what could be better, so that feedback is not such a big deal when things need to improve or change. And it also is an opportunity for development. Development should not be reserved for year-end performance reviews. Ongoing conversations about how are you doing? Where do you want to grow? Our world is changing so fast, and the upskilling and reskilling that is needed to stay relevant requires ongoing developmental conversations with your leader. And if we're not having those, again, we're missing an opportunity. And the last thing is decision making. Sometimes in one-on-ones, you need to make a decision together that requires that conversation, requires that input. So if your one-on-ones have become very tactical and more of a status update, think about what would make them more meaningful. Focus on human connection, create an opportunity for two-way feedback, make sure there's some kind of developmental conversation, and if decisions need to be made, include that as well. When we put the human back in one-on-ones, they are far more valuable. And this might seem like a no-brainer, but once again, I've had several conversations over the past few weeks with leaders looking at there's a missed opportunity in these one-on-ones, and people are feeling unseen. People are feeling frustrated, and it's because those one-on-ones are not being leveraged like they could. So that is my invitation and my challenge for you this week is if you lead people, refocus your one-on-ones. If you are going into a one-on-one, talk to your leader about reframing them in a way that works for you because they're meant for you anyway. I would love to hear what opens up for you as you put this into practice. And remember, never ever let anyone dull your sparkle.